Hello, future millionaires. How you doing? It's Coach Keon Corniff, also known as Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator and business coach. And I just want to come in and tell you that, guys, did you know that if you are a 30-year-old male that's a very good shape and you're not a smoker, and you're able to save $10 a day, which is $300 a month, and inside of an IUL, did you know that by age 65 you have over $250,000 of tax-free money that you can use during your retirement years, and you can use that as a tax-free retirement supplement? Did you know that if you never use that money, by age 100 it would be $1.2 million that your family inherit and change the generation of your family's last name? Guys, imagine that. Just saving $10 a day inside of an IUL would have produced you at age 65 almost $250,000, and you'll be able to have that money tax-free with a whole bunch of living benefits that you can also take at your advantage for any chronic, critical, or terminal illnesses. If you'd like to know how you could qualify for an IUL where you can save $10 a day and definitely put some money away, comment below IUL so I can teach you how.